Ma'am, today you have come to Panchkula. How do you see this election campaign? How do you see the momentum?
You know, with each passing day, the excitement of the electorate is building up and Congress is becoming even stronger. People see an alternate narrative in Congress, that of that of development, that of holding everybody together, and you will see that in the coming time, few days are left, Congress will form the government with an overwhelming majority.
Ma'am, we have seen BJP was trying to exploit the situation when you were not campaigning here. So, do you think that BJP was trying to get a political mileage when you were not campaigning, and they were trying to exploit
The thing is that BJP doesn't have any issues to speak of. They have no achievements to show to the people. So they were simply trying to, but be that as it may, I don't think we need to even talk about them.
Ma'am,
We should concentrate on our own strategies, on our own, what we want to present to the people, our vision for the future. We have given 7 guarantees and our manifesto is out. And we have tried to ensure better future for every segment of the society.
Ma'am, today we have seen again the slogans were being raised by a lot of people that Kumari Shailja is the Chief Minister of Haryana. How do you see this?
I think one should take it in a stride because that's the way people look at it and they feel happy, everyone is happy, but ultimate decision is always with the high command. We know the reality.
But you want to become the Chief Minister, no? That is.
What kind of question is that?
Ma'am, another last question, ma'am. I just want to take. You had already mentioned about a Deputy Chief Minister, Chandramohan. If he is going to.
He was our Deputy Chief Minister. He's already shown his worth and he can work. So
And
definitely we would want that we should get that position back.
And ma'am, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, they are holding their road show from Narayanagar onward. How do you see? Do you think that it will also create new momentum in the campaign which you people are leading?
They are going to do it in different parts of Haryana, starting from Rahul ji has already been here. He's held public meetings and tomorrow we are starting public meeting and road shows. And he'll be going to different parts of the state after this also in the next few days. And definitely it will give a new impetus, a new energy to people.
जब मैंने पहली बार चुनाव लड़ा था 93 में, जब मेरे फादर मुख्यमंत्री थे, उससे भी कहीं बेटर रिस्पांस मिल रहा है मुझे इस बार। हम डेवलपमेंट के नाम पे वोट मांगते हैं और डेवलपमेंट हम करते हैं। आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी ने पूरे देश की यात्रा की, उन्होंने जो लोगों में संदेश दिया, ये उसी का नतीजा है कि हरियाणा में कांग्रेस की सरकार आ रही है। देखिए, यहाँ कोई यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है, लॉ कॉलेज नहीं है, मेडिकल कॉलेज नहीं है, और मैंने खुद तकरीबन 100 पॉइंट से ऊपर का मेरा विजन तैयार किया है।